dust the peel. We don't have any breads on set. I'll run down to get some. Hi, my name's Lee Tiernan. I'm in Tom Gozney's back garden. I'm going to show you how to make bam Reuben flatbread. So, it's one of the flatbreads we made. For the dough recipe, check out the video we did earlier. These are balled at 160 grams. Don't be afraid of using loads of flour because you can dust it off. It stops it from sticking. It's very wet dough. I'm never in too much of a rush to pat out. Or what do you call it? You call it opening out, right? Opening out a dough. It's not like a pizza dough where it's super stretchy and super robust. It still tear quite easily, so you just got to let it do its own thing. Let the weight of it pull it apart. So, hello mate. This isn't for you, bro. Touch of dripping on the bread. Nice bit of flavour, but also it helps the salt beef to adhere. And what I like about this recipe, you can buy pretty much all the toppings from a supermarket. So this is pastrami, New York style pastrami. Okay, just check it's good. And then, bomb. For this sort of flatbread, we're running at 400. I would generally go about 350. Nice dough. Oh, it smells delicious. Can really smell that dripping. Look at that drip. I like to cook my flatbreads a little further than you would maybe a pizza. This is just mozzarella from the supermarket, Montgomery cheddar and Ogleshield. Ogleshield kind of smell like feet. Mozzarella is great for melty goodness, and the Montgomery cheddar just cuts through with a bit of acidity and smack. Lower the flame a little. And I'm not too worried about getting colour on the cheese, just that looking for that gooey melt. Lovely. Lovely bit of kit, that. So now the toppings. So a little bit of sauerkraut, some pickles. I made these pickles myself, but getting pickles from the shop is perfectly fine, just to get some gherkins. Lovely. I love the colour. Right, where's that Celtic war axe thing? Here we go. This is a serious bit of kit. There we go. Classic bam Reuben flatbread. Where's Tom? No.
Right, guys.
Tom was hiding down here the entire time.
Yeah, I was in the bin, waiting for you to drop like little bits in the bin.
Swooped in for the light little taste test.
Man, this thing is a banger.
Nice foil.
The flavour profile in this is insane, man. The like layers of it, the sharpness.
For the full recipe, go to gozney.com. It's like the Wu-Tang. It's like the Wu-Tang sign. Wu-Tang forever. Have you seen this as well? Look, watch. This might look ridiculous. I might be the last person in the world to know this, but if you do that, that doesn't